युनिट नंबर 1.1 पाहून झाल्यावर आज आपण फन दे हेड युनिट नंबर 1.2 हे बघूया. द फन दे हेड written by Isaac Asimov, part 1. First of all, chit chat activities. Discuss these questions. What do you like best about your school? तुमच्या शाळेतली कोणती गोष्ट तुम्हाला खूप आवडते? You may give answers like I like library, I like teachers, I like friends, I like playing on playground, or whatever. Some may say that I like to uh, enjoy fun, music. तुमच्यावर अवलंबून आहे की कशा प्रकारचा रिस्पॉन्स तुम्ही द्याल. What do you like best? सगळ्यांमध्ये बेस्ट कोणते आहे ते तुम्हाला सांगायचं. What do you think school is a fun? What do you think school is a fun? Very rare. फारच कमी मुलांच्या बाबतीत असं म्हणतात स्कूल पण. It depends on school. Whether it is a fun or not, it depends on school. स्कूल खूप सारखं शिकवणं असेल किंवा फक्त अभ्यासच असेल तर फन नसतंच. मुलांना ते फन वाटत नाही. त्याच्यामध्ये खेळ असतो, गमती जमती असतात. सगळ्या जर गोष्टी झाल्या तर ऍक्टिव्हिटीज भरपूर असल्या तर ते फन वाटतं. What do you think about your school? Which is the part that you don't like? शाळेमधला असा कोणता भाग आहे की तो तुम्हाला आवडत नाही? Some may not like mathematics. Some may not like exams. Some may not like just like writing papers or writing essays, or it can be just like somebody is punished. How often should the teacher give you a test? What do you think? टीचरने किती वेळा टेस्ट द्यायला पाहिजे? जे वीकली टेस्ट, periodical test, after monthly test, maybe semester test. What do you think? कधी टेस्ट घ्यायला पाहिजे? Give your own views. So let's move to activity number 2. Listen carefully and write each word in appropriate columns. Appropriate means right column. Ancient, prachin, modern, adunik, and third is futuristic, means it is possible that it will be in future. Like a bicycle. In ancient time there was no bicycle. So bicycle can be put under modern. Then wheels, they were available in ancient. They are also available in modern. And in future also there will be wheels. What type of wheels are they? It depends. So एखादा शब्द हा तिन्ही पण ठिकाणी येऊ शकतो किंवा एखादा शब्द कोणत्या तरी एका ठिकाणी फिक्स बसेल किंवा दोन ठिकाणी येऊ शकेल. So next is bullock carts and classify tar roads, sheaves, computers, floppy disk. तुम्हाला आठवत पण नसेल किंवा माहिती पण नसेल की फ्लॉपी डिस्क काय असतं. इट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ कम्प्युटर्स. पूर्वीच्या काळी असायचे, आता फक्त हार्ड डिस्कच आहेत. फ्लॉपी डिस्क आता कोणी वापरतच नाही. ऑडिओ व्हिज्युअल कॅसेट्स, टेलिफोन्स, बुक्स, बुलेट ट्रेन्स, रोबोट्स, हॉर्स ड्रॉन carriages, spaceships, television, windmills, earth movers, brushes, mobile phones, notebooks, schools, flying cars, tonga, tanga, homework, okay, Then aeroplanes, cameras, axes, mortar and pestles. मिरचीचा ठेचा करायला वापरतात ना ते. हॉट एअर balloons and headphones, test. You have to classify. तुमच्या मनाला वाटेल तसं तुम्ही ते ठिकाणी क्लासिफाय करा. दिस इज अन ऍक्टिव्हिटी. मज्जा येईल तुम्हाला करताना की एक शब्द 2 ठिकाणी वापरता येऊ शकतो का, किंवा 3 ठिकाणी काही काही वेळेस येऊ शकतो. सो इट्स अ गुड. Then move to the next activity. Next activity is listen to the pronunciation of these words and practice saying them properly yourself. Grandfather, geography, satisfactory, superior, pronunciation, betcha, nonchalantly. Actually, I want you to listen the native words, native speaking also. Shall we? Let's start.
Grandfather,
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 Geography. Geography.
Satisfactory. Satisfactory.
Superior. Superior.
Pronunciation. Pronunciation.
Betcha. Betcha.
Nonchalantly. Nonchalantly.
तुम्ही सगळ्यांनी ऐकले असेल की हे कशा प्रकारे हे उच्चार होतात, आणि अशा प्रकारचे उच्चार करण्याचा प्रॅक्टिस करू शकतो तुम्ही. नॉर्मली उच्चारले ते काही हरकत नाही, पण जवळपास त्या नेटिव्ह स्पीकरच्या जवळपास उच्चार असतील असा आपण प्रयत्न करायचा. आता आपण ऍक्च्युअल लेसनला सुरुवात करूया. द फन दे हॅड. Margie even wrote about it that night in her diary. Margie is a girl. She wrote something about it. We don't know about what, but she wrote something in her diary. On the page headed 17 May 2157, she wrote in a diary, and heading was 17 May 2157. The date was 2157. Year, month is May, and date was 17. So in near about 100, more than 100 years. म्हणजे ही गोष्ट जी घडली ती 100-125 वर्षानंतरची गोष्ट आहे. 100-125 वर्षानंतरच्या मुलांना पुस्तकं हार्ड कॉपी असतात हे आश्चर्याची वाटेल, त्यांना ती मज्जा वाटेल. She wrote, today Tommy found a real book. She wrote, today Tommy found, Tommy may be her friend, maybe her brother. Tommy found a real book. A real book means just like a hard copy of a book, not a soft copy that you see on screen. स्क्रीनवर दिसते आपण त्याला सॉफ्ट कॉपी म्हणतो, आणि हातामध्ये आपण हातात घेऊ शकतो, हाताळू शकतो, हार्ड कॉपी. आणि मार्गी त्याला रिअल बुक म्हणते. ओके, हियर it was a very old book. Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on paper. Supporting आहे. It was a very old book. ते बुक त्यांना सापडलं, ते खूप ओल्ड बुक होतं. Okay, the Margie's grandfather once said that मार्गीचे ग्रँडफादर त्यांनी तिला सांगितलं होतं, when he was a little boy, जेव्हा ते एक लहान मूल होते, his grandfather told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on paper. All the time, when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him. When Margie's grandfather was a little boy, Little boy's grandfather told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on paper. आजोबा जेव्हा लहान होते तेव्हा त्यांच्या आजोबांनी त्यांना सांगितलं होतं की सगळ्या स्टोरीज कागदावर छापल्या जायच्या, जसे की आता सध्या छापतात. They turned the pages. पानं उघडून बघितली त्यांनी. कोणी? मार्गी आणि टॉमी. Which were yellow and crinkly. साहजिक आहे, जुनं पुस्तक असेल तर पेजेस yellowish होणार. And they were also crinkly. They were crinkly. A new word is there. Crinkly stand for wrinkled. And it was awfully funny to read the words that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to on a screen. Yeah. तुम्हाला तर माहिती आहे की स्क्रीनवरचे शब्द जसे तसे राहत नाही. नवीन नवीन स्क्रीन आली की नवीन नवीन शब्द तिथे दिसतात, आपल्याला चित्र दिसतात. पण त्यांना खूप गंमत वाटली की ते शब्द तिथे हालतच नाही, तिथे जसे आहेत तसेच राहतात. And then when you turn back to the page before, it had the same word on it that it had when they read it the first time. जेव्हा त्यांनी पहिल्यांदा वाचतात ते शब्द जिथे जसे दिसतात तसेच नंतर कधी पण आले तर ते तसेच दिसतात. ह्याची सुद्धा त्यांना खूप गंमत वाटते. ओके, they have also found ओके, आता या लास्ट पॅराग्राफ मध्ये क्रिंकली वर्ड पाहिला आपण. त्यानंतर एक आहे awfully. Awfully means badly. Okay, then the third word, okay, instead of. This is a phrase. Instead of, this is a phrase. जे ऐवजी. Instead of, in place of. I chose a pencil instead of pen. I chose my friend instead of enemy. I chose to write instead of learn by heart. Okay, असं तुम्हाला in place of ऐवजी तुम्हाला ते वापरता येईल. Instead of. Okay, you also do practice. Let's see a grammar sentence also here. It was a very old book. तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना माहिती आहे की हे assertive sentence आहे. आपल्याला ते एक्सक्लेमेटरी करायचं आहे. एक्सक्लेमेटरी केलं तर ते old, this is adjective and book is a noun. Adjective noun दोन्ही पण आले तर आपल्याला what वापरता येऊ शकतं. मग वाक्य कसं होईल? व्हेरी च्या ऐवजी आपण what वापरले किंवा what सरप्राईज व्यक्त करण्यासाठी वापरले. What an old book it was. Okay, words are almost same. फक्त व्हेरीच्या ऐवजी what आलेलं आहे, what आलेलं आहे, बाकी सगळं सेमच आहे. What and what. But don't forget to give exclamatory mark also. So noun and verb हे सगळे शेवटी आलेत, त्याच सिक्वेन्सने आहेत, and exclamatory mark. So this is about practice करावी लागेल. Then let's move to the next sentence. They turned the pages which were yellow and crinkly. And question is asked, which stands for? Which stands for? Which चा अर्थ काय होतो? They turned the pages which were. Which were म्हणजे काय? The pages. The pages were yellow and crinkly. The pages were yellow and crinkly. So which means which stands for the pages. Okay. This is what I think you don't have any doubt in any of them. Okay, two questions are there. When does the story take place? Date is given 17 May 2157. And what does the margi mean by the real book? Margi means it is a hard copy. Okay, real book means hard copy. Shall we move to the next? Let's move to the next paragraph. Gee, said Tommy. What a waste. Again, exclamatory mark is there. So exclamatory sentence. It is a great waste. Okay, it's a very waste. When you are through the book, you just throw it away. I guess sentence is complete here. Tommy said to Guy that it is a wastage of paper. When you are go through the book, you just throw it away. एकदा की तुम्ही पुस्तक वाचून झालं का तुम्ही फेकून देता. I guess our television screen must have had a million book on it, and it's good for plenty more. टेलिव्हिजन स्क्रीन मध्ये मिलियन बुक असतील किंवा आहेत. And it's good for plenty more. Plenty more. So here it is, he is describing the time there. Plenty means so many. Our television screen must have had a million books, and also it is good for plenty more. Then I wouldn't throw it away. पुस्तक जसं फेकून देतात तसं मी काय ते स्क्रीन काय फेकून देणार नाही. पुस्तकं वाचल्यानंतर काय उपयोग त्याचा, असं त्याचं टॉमीचं म्हणणं आहे. Same with me, same with mine, said Marty. She was 11 and hadn't seen as many telebooks as Tommy had. Tommy is older than Margie. He was 13 and Tommy is 11. Sorry, Tommy is 13 and Margie was 11. She said, you won't throw it away, and I even same with me, or same with mine. She said, where did you find it? She asked Tommy, where did you find it? It stands for the book. In my house, he pointed out, he pointed without looking because he was busy reading. In the attic, he answered. In my house, in the attic. Okay, he answered it. It was he answered that he found the book in his house and it was in the attic. But attic म्हणजे एखादा माळा, घरामध्ये वस्तू ठेवण्यासाठी केलेला असतो ना, तो प्रकारचा, तशा प्रकारचं स्टोरेज. What's it about? पुस्तक कशाविषयीचं आहे? School. Margie was scornful. टॉमीने उत्तर दिलं school. But Margie was scornful. But scornful, you need to understand what is scornful. Disliking something. Okay. School. What is there to write about school? I hate school. मार्गीला शाळा आवडतच नाही, कारण त्यांच्याकडे आपल्यासारख्या शाळा नाहीत. त्यांची शाळा म्हणजे त्यांच्या घरातलाच एक कोपरा किंवा एखादी खोली, ज्याच्यामध्ये फक्त टीव्हीची स्क्रीन बसवलेली आहे, बाकी काहीच नाही. ती म्हणजे त्यांची शाळा. जसे की आपल्याकडे पण सध्या तेच चाललंय. घरातल्या एखाद्या कोपऱ्यात बसायचं आणि शाळेतले लेक्चर सगळे घरीच ऐकायचे. आपणही तेच करतोय. She said that I hate school. अपोजिट काय होईल त्याचा? I hate school. अपोजिट करायचं. Make it negative. I don't love school. Okay, I don't love. What is there to write about school? She asked. She did not like school. She does not like school, and it is said that she was scornful. Okay, Margie always hated school. पुन्हा एकदा hated आहे. But now she hated. आता लक्षात घ्या, कुठे कुठे कोणता टेन्स वापरलाय बघा. जेव्हा जेव्हा डायरेक्ट स्पीच आलं तिथे तिथे प्रेझेंट टेन्स आहे. जेव्हा जेव्हा डिस्क्रिप्शन आलं तिथे तिथे पास्ट टेन्स वापरलाय. ओके. आणि जिथे जिथे डायरेक्ट स्पीच आहे तिथे सुद्धा काही ठिकाणी तिथे पण तिथे देखील पास्ट टेन्स काही ठिकाणी आहे. म्हणून आपण थोडं लक्ष ठेवायचं की कुठे कोणता टेन्स वापरलाय. She said, I hate school. पण इथे मात्र प्रेझेंट टेन्स. Okay, then Margie always hated school, but now she hated it more than ever. मार्गीला शाळा आवडतच नाही, पण आता मात्र आणखी जास्त आवडत नाही. का? The mechanical teacher had been giving her taste after taste in geography. She had been doing words and words until her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully and sent for the county inspector. Geography teacher आहे होमवर्क देतोय. मेकॅनिकल टीचर आहे, नॉट रियल टीचर. मे बी स्क्रीन और मे बी रोबो इज देअर, स्क्रीन इज देअर अँड स्क्रीनच्या जवळच कुठेतरी होमवर्क देण्यासाठी स्लॉट्स वगैरे बनवले आहेत. होमवर्क त्याच्यात टाकला की तो ऑटोमॅटिक त्या व्यक्तीपर्यंत पोहोचतो. व्यक्ती नाही, तिकडे पण कम्प्युटर्स आहे, कम्प्युटर होमवर्क चेक करतात. आणि त्या कम्प्युटरमध्ये काहीतरी बिघाड झाला समजा, तर प्रोग्राम रिपीट होतो किंवा चुकीचा प्रोग्राम तुमच्यापर्यंत येतो आणि मग it becomes very hard for students. So she said that she had been doing worse and worse until her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully. Mother came to know the mistake and sent for a county inspector. The county inspector means mechanic. So this is what here in the first line it is said what a waste. हे वाक्य एक्सक्लेमेटरी आहे आणि ते तुम्हाला असर्टिव्ह करायचं आहे. इट वॉज अ ग्रेट वेस्ट यू कॅन से. देन लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट सेंटेन्स. आय वुडंट थ्रो इट अवे. मेक इट अफर्मेटिव्ह. काय कराल तुम्ही अफर्मेटिव्ह करायचं असेल तर? सर आय वुड कीप इट. वुड जसा तसा ठेवला, यातला नॉट काढून टाकला पण एन ॲपॉस्ट्रॉफी आणि थ्रो इट अवे च्या ऐवजी ऑपोजिट एक्झॅक्ट घ्यायचा म्हणजे ते आपल्याला अफर्मेटिव्ह करता येईल. थ्रोच्या ऑपोजिट keep it. Okay, I would always keep it. I would keep it. Next, she said, where did you find it? Change into indirect speech. डायरेक्ट स्पीच मध्ये काय, where did you find it, त्याला indirect करायचं आहे. Who said? She said. This is a question, that's why you can say that she asked. Where is there? So no need to give conjunction. Where she had found it. लक्षात ठेवा, did आलं का? जर डायरेक्ट स्पीच मध्ये did असेल तर त्याचं रूपांतर पास्ट सिंपल पास्ट टेन्स रूपांतर आपण पास्ट परफेक्ट मध्ये करतो. So you here taken he because you was said to Tommy. Then next move, found it, find it, found it. Find चं फाउंड करावं असं काही जरूर नाही, पण ते did होता म्हणून फाइंड होता आणि had आलं म्हणून फाउंड झालं. Has, have, had नंतर आपण past participle form वापरतो. Okay, this has become indirect speech. I hope you understood. Next, the question tag, very simple sentence. Margie was scornful. Margie was a girl. That's why was not is not given here. That's why was not she. So wasn't she is the perfect answer. So Margie was scornful. Wasn't she the perfect answer? Let's move to the next. He was a round little man with a red face and a whole box of tools with the dials and wires. Now this is description of county inspector. He was a little man, a round little man, maybe fat man, and his height is less. That's a little man with a red face. Description of his face and a whole box of tools and dials and wires. All these things he had. County inspector had all these things. Mechanic. He smiled at Margie. The county inspector smiled at Margie and gave her an apple because she was small. Then took a teacher apart. Took the teacher. Teacher म्हणजे कोण? त्यांची टीव्हीची स्क्रीन म्हणजे teacher. Took the teacher apart. Teacher means not a real teacher. It's only TV screen. Margie had hoped he wouldn't know how to put it together. Margie just hoped. मार्गीने अशी आशा व्यक्त केली की त्याला तो टीव्ही दुरुस्तच करता येऊ नये, रिपेअर करता येऊ नये. So I had not put together, repair again. But he knew how. All right. After an hour or so, there was it again. There it was again. एक तासाभरामध्ये तो पुन्हा आला. Large and black and ugly with a big screen on which all lessons were shown. एक मोठी स्क्रीन ज्याच्यावर सगळे लेसन तिला दाखवले जातात. इथे शब्द वापरलाय black and ugly screen. Why it is ugly? Because it gives the homeworks. And the questions were asked. That wasn't so bad. So again she is saying that that wasn't so bad. Okay, the part Margie hated most was the slot where she had to put homework and test papers. एवढं काही वाईट नाही, परंतु ती म्हणते की एक गोष्ट मात्र मला आवडत नाही. विच थिंग द मोस्ट, म्हणजे काय सगळ्यात जास्त न आवडणारी गोष्ट, द स्लॉट वेअर शी हॅड टू पुट होमवर्क अँड टेस्ट पेपर्स. एक जागा आहे तिथे त्याच्यामध्ये तिला होमवर्कचे पेपर टाकायला लागतात किंवा त्याच्याबरोबर टेस्ट पेपर्स किंवा होमवर्क हे द्यावं. शी ऑलवेज हॅड टू राईट देम आउट इन अ पंच कोड. They made her learn when she was 6 years old. जेव्हा ती 6 वर्षाची होती, she was made learn. She learned the punch code by which she was writing the test papers and homework. पंच कोड अजून नाही वापरत आपण. पंच कोड मध्ये तिला म्हणजे सांकेतिक भाषेमध्ये तिला ते लिहावं लागायचे पेपर आणि ते पेपर जमा करायचे आणि ते पेपर ऍसेस केले जातात कम्प्युटर थ्रू. आपल्याकडे बार कोड आहेत आणि पंच कोड सुद्धा पण आहेत, परंतु आपण वापरत नाहीत. Then they made her learn when she was 6 years old, and a mechanical teacher calculated the marks in no time. No time means very shortly. The mechanical teacher gives her marks. Here, if you take apart, this is a phrase. Here it is a taken apart. The teacher, okay, teacher has taken her apart. Okay, here taken. The took is a past tense, and apart. So instead of took, here it is take. Take apart means take away. Okay, then let's move. Okay, next. Yeah, to put together means to repair. We saw, I think I explained it. Then some questions are there, grammar sentences. He smiled at Margie and gave her an apple, not only, but also. Two different actions are there. One is smiling, and second is giving. So before the first action, put not only. Before the second action, you can put but also and remove and. He not only smiled at Margie, but also gave her an apple. This can be the right answer. He not only smiled at Margie, but also gave her an apple. Next is, that wasn't so bad. Was not so bad. Make it affirmative. So affirmative, if you want to make it affirmative, you have to remove not. If you remove not, the meaning will change. So if you don't want to change your meaning, then you will have to use opposite word of bad. It's good. That was good. Okay, finish. Next. She always had to write them in a punch code. Underline infinitive. Infinitive stands for infinitive verb or non-finite infinitive. So infinitive verb त्याच्या अगोदर आपण टू लावलेला आहे किंवा त्याला आयएनजी लावतो आणि तो दिस इज नॉट अ मेन वर्ब. मेन वर्ब तो नसतो, तो इन्फिनेटिव्ह. सो हियर टू राईट is the infinitive verb, so you have to underline the to right. Okay, let's move some questions are here. How is the county inspector described? He was a lone little man with a red face and a whole box of tools and dials and wires. This was his description given here. Then what did the county inspector do? He had taken apart, sorry, he took apart the teacher and he repaired it and he gave it back within an hour. What did Margie hate the most? Margie hated the slot the most. Why? Because she did not like she just wait, did so. She did not like um, doing homework or maybe the writing papers, all these things. How old she was? Who was Margie? How old she was? She was only 6 years old when she just when here in this passage it is said that she was only 6 years old. But when she learned the punch code, okay, no other reference is given here, but in earlier passage it is said that she was 11 years old. But when she learned punch code, she was only 6 years old. Okay, we will see the remaining part in our next period. If there is doubt, you can send me any comment. Okay, bye bye.